No one wants to be involved in an accident, but it's important to be prepared in the event that you are. The first thing you'll want to do after getting into an accident is notify the police. In Georgia, you are required to immediately report any accident that results in injury or property damage greater than $500. If there's any question as to whether the accident is required to be reported, do yourself a favor, report it anyway. If you're injured in the accident, make sure to call for an ambulance. When your adrenaline is pumping, it can be really easy to minimize your own injuries, so be sure to take care of yourself and get checked out if you're experiencing any pain or discomfort. Keep in mind that no matter who you're speaking with at the scene of the accident, do not admit fault or liability. Instead, focus on obtaining the names, addresses, telephone numbers, and license plate numbers of everyone involved in the accident. If the police ask you to give a statement, just inform them that you're too shaken up from the accident and that you would like to be checked out by medical personnel. It is also important to obtain the names, addresses, and telephone numbers of anyone who witnessed the accident. This is especially important if the other driver fled the scene or if there was no physical contact between your vehicles. After all, in Georgia, your insurance company is not required to cover your accident if there was no actual physical contact between your vehicles. This is a different story, however, if you have an eyewitness who can corroborate how the accident occurred. Another important thing to remember is to take photos of all vehicles and people involved in the accident. Make sure to take photos that show the big picture, such as the placement of the vehicles in relation to the road. These types of photos, as well as the close-up photos of damage, can be extremely beneficial down the line. Next, notify your insurance company of the accident. When doing so, remember to not make any statements, recorded or otherwise, to the insurance company. This includes the other driver's insurance company as well as your own. Finally, if you've been involved in an accident, make sure to give us a call at 1-855-LAW-WRITERS. We will be with you every step of the way to answer your questions and to get you the resolution that you deserve.